another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by an amazing wig from Charisma. So my two very first Amazon wigs that I ever had were from Charisma. And these are actually my two most viewed wig videos ever. So I thank you all so very much for watching. But Charisma reached out to me and I was beyond tickled because they were, like I said, the very first wig company that I had experimented with from Amazon. And my life has been forever changed. So let's talk about this one. So what I will tell you is I already wore this girl. There was I just got it and then it happened to be Saturday, which is one of my busy days at work. And I was like, I need a blonde wig. And all I kept thinking about was rip this girl out of the bag. And I did, and I wore her, and it was amazing. So I actually posted it on Instagram because I was honestly so completely impressed with the hairline. I did take a video right here so you can actually see what it was like before I cut the lace off because it was pretty impressive. So, like I said, I've already worn this, but let's just take a look at the construction of the wig. So this is a pretty typical wig construction of an Amazon wig with this lace front right here. This has a medium toned lace, a 2.5 inch parting right here. And then this, I did feel like this has more lace like on the side as I cut right here for my quote-unquote sideburns right here. So that was actually a little bit of a bonus. And then also this does have 3 clips or combs, 2 combs right here on the side and then 1 comb right here in the middle. This also has a medium wig cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. So for the actual details of this blondie right here, she is 24 inches and she has a little bit of these very long layers right here. So that's actually really nice, kind of sweeping right there. But she has a really nice, cool, champagne-y, kind of buttery blonde platinum. And then also her roots are this beautiful, very kind of mid to dark blonde right there. So that's really great. Now when I did wear this wig, I actually did glue her down just because of the construction with this great parting for it to lay right down by your ears. So of course, if you're unaware, these two products from Got2b are the holy grail for securing your wigs. And it felt great because then you can really whip it around and do whatever you would like to it. So I'll link all the links down below for that as well. This wig also comes with 2 wig caps, so if you are in need, you are ready to go as soon as she arrives. So let's put this girl on. I do have a wig cap in nude, which I did get from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. I really like these wig caps. And I also put my wigs on front to back, so I'm gonna back it up a little bit because she is a very long girl. All right, look at her. Ooh. I mean, she is a very amazing blonde wig. And like I said, I had glued her down. So these parts right here were completely down and it looked amazing. It just looked flawless. And of course I have the photos right here from that. So I'm not gluing it down for this. Let me stand up so you can see exactly how long she is. So yeah, so actually she is 24 because normally that's at my mid-waist. Maybe if you were to pull her down, she'd probably be like 26 or so. But yeah, when I had worn her, I had glued her down and then I just had changed the parting by kind of going it on this side a little bit. I did it like this, which was just easy to do like that. Easy. But let's just actually see, because if you all know, I love shifting the wig cap, which of course these earpieces would not lay the same way, but that's generally how I like to shift them. So let me just see what it would look like if I move this to my usual left eyebrow parting. So I generally like when the parting is flat versus popping up. Pretty good. And of course, as for shedding and tangle, by all means, any wig is going to shed and it's going to tangle, especially the long ones. So you just have to be prepared with your wig brush and then also spraying it with the wig conditioning spray. I do have the link down below for that, including this is my favorite wig brush as well from Amazon. This wig is from Charisma. I'm absolutely in love with this long blonde Ashy Platinum Dream. And let me know what you think about it, and let me know how your Charisma wig collection is going, and let me know if you have a favorite one from them. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this very long, luxurious blonde wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, embrace it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you